Hey, and welcome to the world of viewneo. I'm Julius, and today I'm going to show you how you can use the weather plugin to bring your own personalized weather forecast to your screen. First of all, we need to make sure that the weather plugin is activated. You can find it in the CMS under the plugin tab. Once we have activated the whole thing, we continue in the media tab. Now right-click anywhere and select weather under plugins. Cool. In the next step, a window opens. Here you can simply enter the name of the city from which the weather should be displayed. Below this, you can also optionally enter a customized name for the city. Just below this, you will find the unit. There you can choose between Celsius and Fahrenheit. I opt for Celsius. Now you just have to set the language, and you're done. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.